Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfika here and welcome again to the FN channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing the Hoco M1 Pro, a wired AirPods Pro. So here are the front packaging of the product itself. So Hoco recently just produced the ES36, aka an AirPods Pro. You guys should check it out in my channel. I leave the link in the description. So looking at the box itself, I'm really impressed how exclusive they've made. And for the side there, they make something you love. Really nice quote indeed. Okay. So from this side we have the instructions on the buttons, the control buttons. Pretty straightforward. And at the back here we have a simple specification of the earphones. And yeah, this just launched this year, just recently, this 2020. Let's crack this thing open. So here are the earphones itself. Okay, next we have an extra ear tips. And that's it from inside the box. So this product is manufactured 20th March this year, just recently. So yeah, there's nothing left inside the box. So let's straight forward to the earphones itself. Oh, that's not pleasing in the eye. Really bad build quality there. Well, nevertheless, let's just open it up and see. So this version is 3.5mm jack, a traditional way to connect to your phone. And let's take a look at the volume button there. I think there's no difference with the standard earpods. They just slapped the Hoco logo there. So let's take a look at the earphones. So here it's only have this texture only for gimmick only. And look at the side here we have the three firing speakers. I think it's literally the same as the earpods. If you guys have an if you have the AirPods Pro, I think we have no difference in terms of its design and everything. Only just a few bits here, but nevertheless, the shape and the design is literally the same, only with wired. Now then, let's put that aside for a bit and let's compare it with the standard earpods. So looking at the control button, like I said, it's literally the same, only they slap in the Hoco logo. But what is not pleasing in the eye is the build quality here. Oh my god, I think it's gonna came off easily there compared with the earpods here, the original Apple earpods. So comparing it, yeah, just a standard AirPods there and an AirPods Pro. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Let's test this earphones. So I got my iPhone. So but unfortunately this one is earphone jack, so I will need to use the lightning adapter. So the reason I'm using iPhone, I need to compare with the normal earpods, the lightning one. So let's test them out. So wearing it's pretty comfortable, same feeling as as we're wearing the AirPods Pro. Some shake test. Yep, it's pretty solid there. It won't came off easily. Let's open up some music. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. But before I make an evaluation, so let's compare with the original earpods. This is the original one, Apple earpods. Wow. So I would say it has almost have the same sound quality. Yeah, I think it's really worth it, you know. I just bought it because it's really unique. Nobody sees an AirPods Pro with wired version, so there's no harm done. Maybe I can use it as a second earphones. Yeah, I think it's a good product though, but the only downside is the build quality. The price is only about 30, this below 30 ringgits. Nevertheless, the sound quality is it's really okay. It's really nice. The bass is there, the clarity, and the volume. Wow, the volume is really it's okay. So the benefit of using this one is, compared to the original AirPods, it is in-ear style, so you have noise cancelling there. So I would say worth buy. Go get yourself Hoco M1 Pro.